welcome back. We've hit that exciting point on stage where the drywall was installed today. This is when the space really starts to take shape. So I just wanted to walk you through and give you a view of the job that you've hopefully been following us on. We have previous videos when it was just bare walls down here to framing to insulation. So I just wanted to take a moment to show you the progress, and I just enjoy this point so much on any job. So over here, the client has decided to go with shiplap siding. There's gonna be a bench down below. And as we move through, I just love this look down the hallway. Right down there, the bathroom is right there, room down below. So let's go take a look. It's really turning out nice. This is just so great. Everything you've worked so hard on and had in concept form and framing, the rooms are finally defined. So this is the bathroom. Let's see, that big tall pipe sticking out of the ground will eventually get cut down for the toilet. There's going to be a vanity where that red tape is on the wall. And then if I turn around here, you can see the shower. But as we come out, there's going to be a pocket door right here. But then we have the back room. It's going to be closets, plenty of storage. So, as always, thanks for tuning in. We'll keep you updated as things progress along. We have lots of mud to go on the walls, sanding, and then hopefully we'll get the painters in here next week and start putting this place back together so the family can enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.